Hello. I've been thinking about something. So let's say you have nannies with a high twinning rate. That means that in a year, these goats will be producing at least 3.5 kids. That's a good number. So when selecting stock, get to select those with a high twinning rate. Even those with this high twinning rate do not give birth to twins consistently. That's what I've come to see here. But it's good to have them. If you can get such nannies, you are in a good place. Remember to improve the breed too, like I said. Continue enjoying your farming. I wish you the best.